See, there is no available system in allopathy or yoga or sports or physical workout or in any field to raise the mitochondria cell energy more than 40 to 60%. Maximum is 60% only. They are saying, what is this? 1300. And now I refined some of the techniques which are directly responsible for the mitochondria and made it into 1500 now. They are saying we will create a new world health order. I said, that's all we want. And they say, especially before 28, you see 28 is a time, body starts dying. Before the age of 28, if we can do these two, means awakening the mitochondria cell energy and the DNA layer. They are saying simply you can say that the person will not have cancer, the person will not have a menopause problems. The thousands of usual problems are completely avoided. It's not there. They are asking, if you are going to do this in mass scale, they first asked me, do you have the capacity to do for any number of people? I said, more number, more easily I can do. They are telling, if this is the case, then we can directly challenge the scientific community that we are creating a new humanity, new consciousness. See, it's not that for above 28 it does not work. They say below 28 means it's like it sets a kind of a base for the whole life. See, above 28, all the disease you carry will go away and you will start creating a new biomemory. All these things will happen. Of course, even those things are unimaginable as per the science. They are saying only in the science fiction all these things can be imagined. They are saying in the field of whatever they are doing, analyzing, that's the exact word he said. It looks like a science fiction, Swamiji. But we have to believe because the machine says, when we analyze the data, soon, very soon, I will make this as a program available for mass. This November I am going to add something new related to the Panchakarma. Means I am now working on this enema, cleaning the stomach and cleaning the upper intestine. All these things I am working. First I am experimenting on my body. So this coming inner awakening I am going to share with everybody. So this will make the body ready to receive more initiations. See, this inner awakening which happened is the first inner awakening where I did complete 21 initiation without giving a day break, because the whole group was able to receive. So I am working on a unique science just through the Panchakarma, means 5 cleansing process, giving them a special tamarind juice. If you give the special tamarind juice, just whole thing will be cleansed. And enema, the lower intestine will be cleansed. The ashram, all the ashramites are using enema every day for last 3 months, because I tested it on me and I am sharing it with the ashramite with a unique combination of garlic and turmeric powder. It's a unique enema described in Siddha tradition. I used it on me 3 months. God, I could see, I can say the second Kayakalpa which I discovered. First is neem juice. The liver, you see, when the liver gets cleaned, all the organs become alive. They become pure. And like neem juice, the second thing I discovered is this enema. I am working on it. I am standardizing it for this age person, how to give, for each age how much water should be used, all that I am standardizing. This inner awakening, I am going to share the Panchakarma, all the 5 process of cleaning. Cleaning the nose through the water. If you pour the water through one nostril, through other it will come out. All this I am going to do in this November Inner Awakening.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.